Hello, my name is Javier De Las Rivas. I am GOBLET's Executive Coordinator of Learning, Education and Training, and I am going to present a poster about GOBLET and how GOBLET is an organization that is fostering international collaboration for advanced learning and education and training in computational biology and bioinformatics. In the current era of big data production and artificial intelligence development, one of the fastest growing scientific and professional areas that is generating petabytes of data is life science. In this context, many scientific and educational institutions recognize that it is no longer possible to carry out adequate studies and research in this area without well-trained computational biologists and bioinformaticians. This is the scope of GOBLET. It's an international organization established in 2012 that pretends and promotes all around the world this effort of fostering learning, education and training on bioinformatics. GOBLET, as I said, is an international organization that is formed by many members. Most of the members initially were organizations and institutions, but at present there are also the possibility that individual members, individual researchers or people from academia or professionals, they want to join, they can be a member of GOBLET. We have in our website information about the benefits to become a member of GOBLET, and at present the new elected executive board is formed by 6 people from different countries, where at present the chair is Celia van Gelder from the Netherlands. GOBLET tries to produce a series of documents, assets and papers on education and training on bioinformatics. One of the best examples is this collection that is in a F1000 research journal that try to promote this kind of initiatives on papers, specific papers on this topic of bioinformatics education and training. As I said, also GOBLET has produced on a regular basis, more or less 4 times a year, a newsletter that is sent to all members, including information about the activities and events and the progress of collaborative initiatives. The most important activities that GOBLET develops are presented here, and are always collaborative initiatives where GOBLET tries to produce high quality open training materials like guides, standards, accreditations, all related to the learning and education in bioinformatics. In particular, some of these specific activities are the organization of training workshops, especially dedicated of the way how to train, train the trainer, train the high school teacher, or train the researchers. Also, GOBLET with other organizations collaborate in the organization of the Education Summit on Bioinformatics that was held first time in 2019, this year in April this year as a second time. As I said, one of the main activities of the collaborative activities of GOBLET is the generation of assets, documents and papers, try to set up standards and try to set up white papers about accreditation for specific courses. As well, we work in critical guides on specific bioinformatics topics, for example, critical guides in the use of UniProt or the PDB or BLAST. As well, there have been an effort in the production of practical guides for high schools, more basic guides for example, when understanding genetic disease or food fraud, or the power of computers in biology. And also, GOBLET established formal agreements with many other organizations that work, of course, in computational biology and bioinformatics all around the world. As I said, many of these efforts end up in a specific publication. You can see there a group of the publications that have been published in the last 3 years, and in many cases, as you can see, they are critical guides or practical guides that, as I said, is one of the main scopes and the main effort that GOBLET and the members of GOBLET are doing. So this is what I wanted to say in this brief presentation about GOBLET. As I said, it's an international organization that try to foster collaboration for learning, education and training in computational biology and bioinformatics. There are many institutions all around the world that have joined GOBLET, and we hope that you like or you think about the possibility of joining us and also help in this interesting scope of the promotion of bioinformatics and learning and teaching in bioinformatics.